everybody. Welcome to Stitch in Heaven Block of the Month headquarters. My name is Debbie, and today I'm going to share with you a quilt that represents the essence of a tropical paradise. And the name of that quilt is Paradise. This quilt is designed by Wing and a Prayer designers. It is a 108 by 108 finished quilt. And I apologize, it says here, well, yes, it is. This will be your king size. The optional is a queen size. So it is a king size 108 by 108. That's what we'll be providing you the fabric for. This quilt, our block of the month, will start October 2024. And so I'm going to share with you a little bit about what you'll be receiving in your first month's package. So again, this quilt, the colors are just absolutely stunning. Just reminds me of the tropical blue-green waters of the beautiful oceans in the Pacific. It also reminds me of just sitting on the beach, my toes in the sand with a drink that's got one of those little umbrellas that is all brightly colored and everything. So just a really, really enjoyable, fun quilt. In your first month package, you're going to be making 2 blocks. So you're going to have a block 1 and block 2. You're going to have your pattern. Again, we do provide for our block of the month subscribers you will get all the fabrics that you need for your quilt top, for your binding, for your borders, and best of all, we do also provide your backing as well. We know how our customers like coordinated backings to go with their quilts, so we will be providing that. So here in your pattern, and I love the Wing and a Prayer patterns, they just lay out everything so beautifully. When you open up your pattern, you're going to see all the different blocks that you'll be creating. You'll have a fabric key, and you'll have in this fabric key, you'll see the gray scale that'll be in your pattern that you can use to refer back to your colors of your fabrics and everything. Your first page, you'll just have some general instructions on how to do some different techniques for creating the portions of your block. And then we jump right into your block 1, and it lays out all your fabrics, your cuts. In your block 1, you'll be making your flying geese, half square triangles, corner units. So a lot of different techniques will be used. And then the second page will be your block 2 that you'll also be creating. So I have here your block 1 fabrics, and it'll be labeled in a separate bag, block 1, and then a separate bag will have all of your block 2 fabrics. You'll also be receiving a beautiful welcome letter that gives you just some general information with regards to your block of the month. It'll indicate when your program bills, how long the program is, and then when you open it up inside, you'll have a beautiful picture of your finished quilt. And then we've got some different links that provide you access to some additional information. We've got your fabric key link, a link to subscribe to our newsletter, and we really encourage everybody to subscribe to that newsletter because you'll receive all sorts of things that are happening here at Stitch in Heaven, different retreats, cruises. You'll get information, our flash sales, so please, please subscribe to that newsletter. We also have a link to update your address and billing information. And last but not least, we do encourage everybody to also join the Facebook group. In that Facebook group, you'll be able to share your tips and tricks and pictures of your quilting journey with others who are quilting this as well. It's also a great place to ask questions if you have any questions about anything, if you have any questions about certain techniques. The experienced quilters can probably answer that question for you. But if not, we do have on the back some information with regards to our customer service hours. And we have a terrific customer service team that is able to assist you to answer those questions or provide you any additional information that you need. So again, this will be your block of the month Paradise. If for some reason you were not able to sign up for this quilt because it filled up so fast, please go to stitchinheaven.com, click on the link Block of the Month, and you'll see an array of different Block of the Month programs that we provide. And if you see the one that just really speaks to you, click on that register button and get signed up right away, because those spots do fill up quickly. Thank you so much for joining me today, and enjoy quilting paradise.